Okay, everybody, happy Friday to you. I'm First Alert Meteorologist Rodney Harris. Hope you are off to a good start to your day. Pretty straightforward day here across North Georgia. Great start to the day, but mostly clear skies earlier this morning. A little bit warmer this afternoon. Yesterday's high was 41, forecasting 45 degrees today. Still chilly, but better than what we've seen all week long. Remember, we went several days below freezing, like the entire day, so 45 should feel pretty good. And we promise you the 60s are back briefly, but they are back next week. What I want to discuss right now is the opportunity for a few flurries in far northeast Georgia today. We've been talking about this over the past couple of days. It is a very, very slim chance, but we do want you to know it's not impossible for those of you in the higher elevations of the mountains. So on the right-hand side of your screen there, that is our forecast model. So what's happening here is we have what we call an upper-level disturbance that's going to quickly swing through North Georgia today. And as that happens, it's going to do two things. It's going to, A, increase the cloud cover across all of North Georgia. So notice how those clouds increase even over metro Atlanta. And I'll make this full so you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about here. Clouds across metro Atlanta. It's actually mostly sunny still right now, but by about 2, 3 o'clock, you'll notice it'll go mostly cloudy. Our winds will also increase as this system is passing us by. If you look very carefully, and you got to look like super, super careful, but way up there in northeast Georgia, there is a couple of dots of white and blue. It's very dry, so it's going to be hard to get any precipitation. But if you're higher up, if you're in the higher elevations of the mountains, you're going to be closer to where some of those flurries may be. So that's why our models are spitting out like a 10% chance of a flurry or two. If you see that, it may be something so small that you can literally count the flurries. Nothing will stick, but that is possible this afternoon in northeast Georgia. If you've been following us, you'll know we actually had a 20% chance of this as far south as metro Atlanta. We no longer believe that'll happen in metro Atlanta. It's just way too dry here. But again, if you're in the mountains, not impossible later on this afternoon. And it'll be very fast. By about 5, 6, 7 o'clock, we'll go back to mostly clear skies because this is such a fast-moving system. So this is actually a cold weather advisory. I don't want to show you that. But I was going to show you the zone where we could see that brief flurry mix. And if that were to happen, it would be in Rabun County, Towns County, Union County, maybe Gilmer County, maybe White County. Again, 10% chance. And it's so small, it's something that you'd be able to count those flurries blowing in the air. So not even close to what we saw earlier this week, but again, a 10% chance of that happening. The other story will be the wind. As that system is passing us by, as I mentioned before, the winds will pick up here. It's about 25 mile per hour gusts. This is not enough for a wind advisory, but the wind will be slightly higher than what you're used to just for this afternoon. Notice there's really nothing at lunchtime. There's nothing at 6. There's nothing later on this evening. It's just around 3, 4, 5 o'clock where those winds will be in the 20 mile per hour range, at least the gusts. So that's the other thing we'll be watching for. So everybody will see the clouds increase this afternoon. Everybody will see the winds briefly increase. And if you are in the mountains, you have an opportunity for a brief flurry or two just this afternoon before things quickly start to drop back out this evening. And I want to say it again. We're not talking about like measurable snow. We're talking about just like maybe dust, you know what I mean, dots that'll be in the air up there in the mountains. 46 is the high, actually, so we updated that high to 46 today. Saturday, we're going to start at 25 degrees in the morning, so super cold again on Saturday morning, and 49 for Saturday afternoon. So we're doing a little bit better on Saturday. Sunday, 52 and mostly cloudy. And we still have our first alert weather day for Monday. We are looking at some showers that'll move in on Monday. Looks like it'll impact the morning commute more than anything else. No storms, no winter weather, but as you drive to work on Monday morning, you will have to dodge some showers. So we'll keep that first alert in there. 49 for Monday. A little bit cooler on Monday because of the clouds and the showers that'll be out there. And then here we go with the warm-up. So Tuesday, 58 degrees. Again, we were not above 32 for like 2 days, 2, 3 days earlier this week. So that 58 will feel great on Tuesday. Wednesday, 63, so we're back into the 60s on Wednesday. Now, Wednesday, another cool front looks like it'll move through. So 63, 30% chance of showers on Wednesday. And once that cool front passes us by, we're back down to 54 degrees on Thursday. You'll notice that there is a chance of rain every day next week. We know for sure that we will see this little wave that'll move in on Monday that'll give us a chance of showers. We're really not that confident what's going to happen next. Models kind of diverge Tuesday and beyond. One model has us mostly mostly dry after Monday. One model wants to keep kind of the showers around, so that's why we just kept a 20% chance of rain in your forecast. We do believe that we'll get another front on Wednesday that will give us a chance of rain, but just so you know, we're pretty confident that we will see showers on Monday. Not as confident Tuesday and beyond. Our models need to do a better job at sort of coming together over the weekend. And we'll have a better idea of what will happen next week. We'll keep a slight chance of rain in your forecast after Monday, just to account for the fact that some of those models are showing the rain continuing. But Monday for sure. So that's why we have a first alert for Monday and not any other day. It's because we're pretty sure you'll at least see showers on Monday morning. But again, the story will definitely be the warmer temperatures next week. We hope you enjoy that. It'll be brief. That's 63 on Wednesday and then like 10 degrees cooler on Thursday. So the headline again today, really nice right now, mostly sunny. Don't be surprised when you see the clouds increase this afternoon. That is an upper level system that's going to quickly pass us by. Winds will pick up here a little bit. And if you're in the mountains, you may see a flurry or two. And notice I'm not using a plural. Flurries. I'm saying flurry. That's how little it would be if it happens in the first place because it is so dry out there. But we don't want you to be caught off guard in the higher elevations of northeast Georgia. So I'll leave you with your 7-day forecast. There we go. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and make it a great Friday. And until next time, we'll see you soon.